Now we can see this mobile air sterilization working principle and what is the method of usage. So normal 6M plug we have. So we have to plug it in the socket and switch it on. So now here we come. So in this system you can see many options. So now I am explaining one by one. First we have a MCB switch to indicate for whole power supply controls. This is, and after that we have a auto operation, that is timer operation, off and timer. So before switching on this we have to turn the knob and keep it in a timer mode. The next is distraction, manual operation off and distraction. If we want to manually operate only the distraction process after the ozone cycle, after the cycle completes, we can manually operate. Okay, in other words, after the sterilization of the room, when you enter into the room, you feel ozone smell is still there very strongly. At that time you can on this distractor for distracting the excess ozone. Okay, the next is power status. Whenever you on this MCB, this LED light will on. This will show the status of the power. Okay, this is ozone variable. Ozone variable in the sense the output of ozone which is coming out you can control. So by adjusting this knob. So this is minimum and this is maximum. Okay, and ozone status. There is an LED which will show the ozone status. Whenever ozone generation is on, this indication lamp will on. And the next is start and stop. Start is for the starting the machine and stop is to stop the machine. And here you can see three, that is 500 square feet, 750 square feet, 1000 square feet. So the area which we are going to sterilize, maybe 500 square feet area or 750, we have to select it. If the area is 600 square feet, you have to select 750 square feet area option. If it is 900 square feet, 1000. If it above 1000, this machine will not be suitable. You have to go for the next model. So here we have buttons like menu buttons, select, up, down. This is all for the operation process. Here you can see a smart display which will show you our make and what is the model and what operation is currently going on, ozone generation process or ozone destruction process. So likewise, so if you are going to select the 500, it will display here. So what you are going to select, the ppm, if you are going to select, it will display here. For that you have to select option up, down, and everything is here. Now I am going to switch on this machine. First we are switching on the MCB part. Okay, so now you can see power status. So power has come to the system. So next we want to select this. This is in the off mode. By default we have to select timer mode. Okay, and this is for distraction, that now not required. So next here we are coming ozone, selecting the square feet area, how much square feet area. Now this room is around 300 square feet area, so that I am selecting 500. So let me show you how you have to select. Just pressing the button, so the indication will move. Now I am selecting 500 square feet area. So now I am going to on the system. So you can see, just press start. If you press start, the machine is on, but wait, there is a delay timer for 30 seconds, because I have already told you that when ozone is in process, we should ensure there is no human being presence inside the room. The person who is operating this system, he needs some time to go out and close the door. For that purpose, we have given 30 seconds of delay timer. So after 30 seconds, this machine starts automatically. So now it's 2 seconds, 1 second. Yes. Now the ozone is on. You can see ozone on. So we have set the 0.02 ppm is human being entry level. Now if you want to stop the machine urgently for some purposes, there is an emergency stopper that you can the machine. So we have stopped this. The entire machine is off. Okay, you have already seen that in the display while the machine is on, the display it comes ozone on. Likewise, if the distraction is on, the distraction process is on. Likewise, you will get a display. After completion of the distraction, so it will indicate that process complete, air treatment process complete, sterilization process complete. Like that, the display will come. So and after that, it gives buzzer alarm. After hearing the buzzer alarm, any person can enter the room and he can unplug it and you can take the machine out for the next thing. So this is the model mobile air sterilizer, which is unique with all the process. Generally there will be some ozone generators separately, distractor separately, sensor separately, but in this system everything is incorporated. It is an advanced model, full and full automatic. So no human error. Just plug on, switch on. All the process machines take care. So this is very useful for the present situation and for the future this thing. Thank you.